Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can live stream to YouTube from your mobile without any subscribers. And we're starting right now. Hi there, David Walsh here from David Walsh Online, helping you grow your business with YouTube. If you are brand new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays. So in order to stream to your channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, you need an app called Prism Studio Live. So if you go to the App Store or Google Play, type in Prism Live Studio even, there you go. You'll see that is the option there. So when you download it, click on open. So you see, there we go now, and there is me on the camera. So going up to the top, you'll see here up on the top is the settings area. So this will allow you to switch on flash if you want. You can also have the mic on or off now. I'm connected to the screen recorder, so the screen recorder needs the mic, so I don't have that option just yet. So I can have my camera on, or I can switch it to the rear facing camera as well, or I can go to view full screen. So going down the screen, so we'll see here we have a flip front facing camera. So if I had a logo or something on my shirt and I needed to flip the camera, if I do that, it will switch it around like so. So you can see myself there. So, and then you can also automatically save photos taken. So you can actually not just live stream, you can also record video and also do photos, say if you wanted to do them for stories or something like that on Instagram or YouTube, Facebook, etc. So moving over to the little circle here, let's click on that. So this will allow me to flip my camera. Going over to here to my little profile image, this has other videos I've done. So you'll see one here that I did as a test while I was in bed one Sunday morning. So if you have others in there you want to get rid of, just click on the three dots there and you can either share, delete or cancel. So let's click on delete. You want to delete that? Yes, okay. And then we have nothing left. So if I click on the cog beside my name, this will bring me into my stream settings. So under stream destinations, this is where I can connect my YouTube channel, Facebook page, Twitch, Periscope, and a number of other ones that you can see on screen there. And you'll see I've connected my YouTube channel. So I've added David Walsh Consulting, which has only 10 subscribers. And this is the channel I'm using for this demo to show you you don't need 1,000 subscribers to stream with your mobile to your YouTube channel. Now the app can also multi-stream as well, so I can go into Twitch, I can go into Facebook, I can go into Periscope, if anyone still uses Periscope, and these other platforms here as well. So I'm just going to leave YouTube now. So if I wanted to disconnect, obviously I can click on the disconnect option there and I can put it in a different channel. Next setting is video settings. So I click on resolution. So I can select 380p, 480p, 720p or 1080p. I'm going to select 720p for now. And I can also have my notifications off. But if I switch them on, I actually have the option here to conceal the Prism watermark, which goes on my videos. So if you want to remove the watermark, just allow notifications, which basically means they will serve ads on your phone. Then you can get the Prism icon removed from your videos. So to go end this, I'm going to click on the X, and I'm going to click on the X and go back here again. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom down here on the little pencil icon, I have a number of things down here. So I've got stickers, I've got various things if I wanted to do, I've got various things there. So if I wanted to look like I was wearing a COVID mask, I could do that. So if I scroll along here, I've got my little filters. I'm going to switch that off for now. Go back to here, switch that off. So I have filters and I've got stickers and I've got various things I can pop on there. So I click on it, it will download and then I'll add on there. So if you want to do images and stuff like that, here we have some stickers. So I've got a nice hi there as well. And I have some GIFs here from Giphy. And of course you can move these around if you want. Pop that on there. So hot dog, of course. And I can remove that too. Click on the X. And I can also, if I wanted to, I can scribble on here too, if I want to. So if I scroll down here, I can select the size of my pencil there. And if I want to remove it, I click on that. Okay, so let's click out of this. And let's go to the live functionality here. And over on the last one here is other filters and stuff if I wanted to add them there. The vivid looks okay, but we'll just go back to normal here. And of course we can go in, record video if you want to, and we can do our photos as well if we want to use them for stories, etc. So now all I need to do in order to go live is actually click on the ready button there and I can go live. So I'm going to set up my phone now, go live, go into the channel that only has 10 subscribers, and we will go live in there so you can see that you don't need 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel in order to go live from your mobile. Okay, so I have my phone set up here as you can see. So if I click on the live button here, and that's this button right here, click on that. It gives me the option to put in my title. So I'm going to pop in a title here. Okay, so that's done there. And I have the option to make it public, unlisted, or private. I'm just going to select unlisted for now. Okay, and then once I have that done, so I click on that, it says live streaming in landscape mode, and there I go. I am streaming live on my channel. So if I go to my YouTube channel here, I'm under the live section, click on refresh. Then we'll see here is my live stream right there. So hello. And if I have any comments on this, so if I open this up, view live stream dashboard. So we'll see on the dashboard here, click next. So if any comments come in, if I type in a comment, we will see here on the mobile interface, the comments on here. So we'll see them pop up. Any comments that pop up there, we will see them pop up. And of course we can bring in other stuff here. So I can bring in video, I can bring in some music, I can add text on here, I can add links, etc. on there. So if I have a video in here, I can bring in photos, I can bring in videos, I can bring in anything I want. Music, as long as I have the rights to do so, I can use it. Obviously you don't want a copyright strike. And if I want to put titles or socials or stuff like that on there, I can do so. So once you're done, I'm going to swipe back. I can click on end here. So this little link here, end, click on that, and it will end my live stream. Then it comes up with if I want to save it to my camera roll, if I want to share it, if I want to do various things, etc. Your usual stuff when you live stream to YouTube. If you're streaming to YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers, how are you using it? Are you using this Prism app, or do you have a different app that you are using? Either way, let me know in the comments area below. Maybe there's something I'm missing out that you can help me with. And if you want to grow your YouTube channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays to help you grow your channel. And if you want to make better live streams, then make sure to click that link right there.